So the boys, we are now going to know about the empty set or null set. The set which does not contain any digit or letter, that is called the empty set or null set. For example, number first, A is equal to the set of even numbers between 5 and 6. But we know there is no any even number between 5 and 6, so it becomes empty. There is no any number written between two curve brackets or the set of null set, that is the symbol of null set. Number 2, b is equal to into bracket x, such that x belong to the set of natural numbers and x is less than 1 bracket over. We know that the set of natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, but no any less number from 1. So 0 or negative numbers are not present in natural numbers, so it becomes empty. B is equal to empty set or B is equal to null set. Now we are going to know about the finite set, the set which contains limited digits, that is called the finite set. For example, number 1, a is equal to into bracket 10 comma 12 comma 14 comma dot 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 up to 50 bracket over. And now we can see this that these are even numbers, starts from 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and up to 50, but all are even numbers and countable. So this is a finite set. Number 2, B is equal to the set of all countries of the world. If we want to make a name list of countries of the world, we can do so because these are countable. So this is also the finite set. That is all. So the boys, we are now going to know about infinite set. The set which contains unlimited digits is called infinite set. For example, number first, p is equal to into bracket 10, 20, 30, dot 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 so on. We can see that 10 number increases 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and so on, but it does not end. So it is unlimited, uncountable. So that is called the infinite set. Number second, q is equal to into bracket x such that x belong to the set of rational numbers and 1 is less than or equal to x and less than or equal to 2. All rational numbers between 1 and 2 containing, but these are uncountable because after 1 starts 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 and so on. No one knows how it stops up to 2, so uncountable, that is also infinite set. Now we are going to know about subset. If every member of set A is also the member of set B, then A is called to be the set of subset of B. Simply A subset of B. That is the symbol of subset between A and B. For example, number first point A is equal to into bracket 2, 3, 5, 7 bracket over B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bracket over. We can see that 2, 3, 5 and 7 are also the members of B, 2, 3, 5 and 7. So we can write it as A is the subset of set B. Number two, similarly, P is equal to into bracket A, B, C and Q is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. So we can see that the all members of P, A, B, C are also the members of Q, A, B, C. So we can write it as P is subset of Q. That's all.